Simeon saves a backup of changes to your tenant configurations and creates a searchable inventory, a single source of truth. Our daily change reporting makes it effortless to identify what changes have been made and when. Did you ever imagine having a way to easily compare your tenant to a previous point in time and be able to restore configurations that have been changed? Using Simeon's reconcile screen, you can compare and reconcile your tenant with a previous version of itself. In this example, we are comparing the tenant versus a previously deployed version tagged by date and build number here. We can see there is a conflict in the Teams meeting setting under the property New Meeting Recording Expiration Days, and we can also see the other properties that have not been changed. And we can use the reconcile process to easily recover the property that was changed simply by clicking the toggle. Simeon makes it effortless to view, compare, and recover changes that have been made to tenant configurations at any point in time.